Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is NAKAE. Today we are going to continue with our Linus fundamentals tutorial. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you will be the first person to watch. Today we are going to look at how we can check our system ID, the host name we are using, the groups the user belongs to. If you don't know how to use the shortcuts, I have a video in the description showing some shortcuts in Linus or how you can set up your own shortcuts. So can you go and watch that video? Now, the first one is we are going to check our host name. Which host name are we using? This one is very simple. We just type host name. We know that now our host name is Kali. So normally if you want to check your host name, you use the host name command. You can use host name to check the function of the host name. So we use the host name to show or set the system host name if you don't have one. But now we have one, that's the Kali. So there's our host name. Now, what if you want to find the ID of this username? We want to find the ID. Which command are we going to run? Just run ID. So we are in the root user. So we say the UID is equal to 0, the GID 0, the groups is also equal to 0. So this is the ID of this current user. And we do pwd, say we are the root user. This ID is for the current user that we are using. That's the root. Then what if you want to check the groups you belong to, or the group a user belong to? What is the command that we are going to use? We can run this to first check the group. So cat then etc. Okay, so this is currently the default group on the system. You can create one, but this is currently the default ones in the default group. Okay, so now we want to check the group our root belongs to. So we do groups, then root. It says the root account belongs to the root group. So you can see there is a group. Let's grep the group command to see if you find root group inside. So grep root. Okay, so there is one group called root column x. So this means that the root account that we are using belongs to the root group. So this is how you can check the group that a user belongs to. What if you want to find the version of our Kali and the name of this Kali that we are using? What command can we use to check the version? So let's go straight to that. The command is called lsb_release. Let me clear the screen. lsb_release. We want all to come, so bring the dash a. Okay, so now it says the distributor ID is Kali, the description is Kali GNU Kali, then the release is 2019.1. So I'm currently using the Kali Linus version 2019.1. So this is how you can check the release version that you are using. Okay, we can also check it in another directory. So let's run cat etc slash os underscore release os dash release. So this one also shows us more details about our distribution, the Kali distribution that we are using. The name is there, the name is Kali. We have the ID, that's Kali. When we run ID, we get the results Kali, the ID is 0. Then we have the version 2019.1. We have where we can download this and other informations. So this is how you can check some small information about the Kali that you are using right now. We can also use a wildcard to check this. Like this same command, instead of os, let me in this wildcard asterisk wildcard, you get the same result. So we can use this command cat slash the etc directory, then asterisk release, to also check our Linus version. This way we end our today's video. Thanks for watching. Can you subscribe and click on the notification bell for more Kali Linus tutorials? Thank you.